What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the random Windows 10 black screen that you may be getting on your computer. So this is most likely happening due to two issues: either your monitor is not up to date, or there's like an actual when the power plan per se is making it go to having these random black screens. So the first thing is we're going to actually go into Device Manager. So if you just write Device Manager in the search bar bottom, this is basically going to pop up. Once this does, you want to actually hover over to Monitors, and obviously I have two monitor screens on my computer. You want to basically click if you have one or two, and whichever one this is happening to, just double click into this and go to drivers and basically do update drivers, because you want to and do search automatically for drivers. So you want to obviously do this to make sure, one, they're all up to date, everything is good to go, and it's not due to because it's not the latest update is causing this to happen. So once you kind of do this, you're going to just want to close that out, and you're going to go back into the search option, and you're going to do power plan essentially. And so if you'll see a couple of items here, you're going to do edit power plan. So once you're here, you want to click into change advanced power settings, and we are going to go to PCI Express in the link state power management and turn it off. If this is anything else, basically moderate power savings or maximum, is going to cause issue. You want to make it off, and then you should be good to go. Once you do those two steps, you should be able to easily resolve this monitor going black issue, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically a quick and simple tutorial. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, more tutorials out.